Walking Macau Streets. Dear Lord, show me a sign. Give me a map. Oh yeah.
It's going to be interesting because we're going to take this up to Rua Central, and we have lots of Portuguese references right here in this park. And this alley goes up to a parking garage up there, so that'll be a dead-end spot, and then this will be our focus street right there, so you kind of give an idea of that street, some of the context, and this would have been historical Portuguese area. So that's the construction they're doing. That's Rua Central. It goes down to São Lorenzo Church, to Barra, goes down quite a ways, and then this was goes down to Praia Grande. Okay, so in this particular video, I'm going to be walking down this street, and this street just had a new name. It's this one right next to this Metropole Hotel. It's going up into towards Central Taipa, which is Central Street, which is Rua Central, which is the kind of the historical heart of the commercial district back when Macau was very Portuguese, when it was Portuguese. Now, of course, it's Assar. But we're going to just kind of show off this little statue a little bit when we come back, and then we're going to go straight up into that up that stretch. So stay tuned for that. 2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on. Okay, so first thing we're gonna do is check out the statue right here, and we're on reclaimed land at the moment. Jorge Alvarez. I don't know much about his history. First navigator to China, 1613, on Menten Island. So okay, I didn't realize that that was the first one. And actually we got some other references, so this will kind of be interesting because we're going to take this up to Rua Central, and we have lots of Portuguese references right here in this park. And this park is on reclaimed land. Just to give you some background, that's the Grand Emperor Hotel, and then this is a big shopping mall right here, New Johan, and that one is actually the first big the first big department store that Macau received. Now it kind of looks older style and kind of archaic and of a different era, because it is of a different era. Okay, so now we're gonna just go straight up this way, and then we're gonna go up our target street, and I'll label this. So I think it'll be it's a street I've filmed before, but it had a different name. I can't even remember what it was now. I'll look that up later. And then just kind of reference point. This is a nice little park that's like right in the transition of it. I'm just kind of waiting for that light. Giving some other context to some other things as well. Okay, so we're going to follow this direction towards Metropole. Hopefully try to catch this light if we can. And we're on Avenida de Praia Grande, which marks used to be a beach road historically. And now we're gonna go up to this spot right here. So it's called Padre Luís Fróis SJ. I don't recall this being the name of the street right here. I don't know what the name used to be, but this one says foot traffic up that way, so we are gonna go that way. I just kind of give you some other background. This beautiful building right here is the City Hall, and it used to be right on the beach, but now it's they made all this reclaimed land all the way over that way. So let's run across. And we're gonna go up this hill. And then this is the City Hall to the right. And then to the left is part of Metropole Hotel. And on our target street right here, they're also doing something to the city hall. And it looks like they have a new facade they're building over there, which is kind of interesting. So we'll probably highlight that as well. Got a little alley right in here. So that's the Metropole Hotel to the left, City Hall to the right. Construction in this spot. And we are gonna go around the corner slightly. Try to give you the full context of the space. Okay, let me see. I wonder if this street has always been this name. Yeah, you can see it right there. Padre Luís Fróis. And now we're on something called Rua Central. So you can see that sign right there. That right there, I think they give out free food to the elderly in that space. So this is Rua Central. It goes up to Say area. And then this one, there's a whole stretch of people. Let me go down. So I'm gonna, I feel like that name has changed. I don't recall seeing that name before. So we're going to come all the way down this way. And then we're going to go across the street. But you can see, this is all Say Cathedral up that direction. We're gonna walk across in a moment. So there you go. You got a Jollibee's right here, so this is all part of Rua Central. And then we are going to go back this way. And then our target street is to the left. But I'm gonna just walk to it to overlook it, and then we're gonna go see a little bit of that crowd. So that's the construction they're doing. That's Rua Central. It goes down to São Lorenzo Church, to Barra. It goes down quite a ways. And then this was goes down to Praia Grande. And so this would have been kind of a little stream of churches. So Say Cathedral is up on that hill. And then that also goes in the direction of St. Dominic's and St. Paul Church as well. And then this one goes up to São Lorenzo. And there's Barra Alma Temple is all the way down there. And there's also Lilau, which is kind of a historic part. And then this little alley would just kind of continue down. So this little alley is kind of filled with people who are, so we'll just kind of walk down briefly. And this alley goes up to a parking garage up there. So that'll be a dead end spot. And then this will be our focus street right there. So you kind of give an idea of that street, some of the context. And this would have been historical Portuguese area. This little stretch up and down Rua Central. And we'll end it right there. And that's Say Cathedral, City Hall, down to Barra, then our target street right there. 2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on.
Toma cuidado la movidinha.